You need to integrate WhatsApp into Zoho CRM? You're in the right place. Let me show you how to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, connecting your WhatsApp to Zoho CRM has endless possibilities, and there are also a few ways that you can do this. Now, the first way I'm going to show you is going over here to Marketplace. Now, once you go into Marketplace, here you can see that there are a bunch of different integrations and some marketplace apps. Now you're going to go over here to the right hand side and you are going to type in WhatsApp. All right, so once you're in here, you can see there is a personalized WhatsApp messages to qualify leads and contacts with Galabox. You can see over here there's another one over here, WhatsApp and Instagram integration. There's the WhatsApp web for Zoho CRM, web next, WhatsApp chat for Zoho CRM, and the WhatsApp hub for Zoho CRM. Now, of course, you can see that there are tons of different apps here, including sending WhatsApp messages directly in Zoho CRM. And there are, as you can see, lots of different options. Now, what we want to actually do is, if you want to choose a specific action, you can go ahead and integrate that from Marketplace. Another way of doing this is to go and click on Setup on the left-hand side. This will be a little gears icon. And here you want to look under Channels, and you want to come down here and look for Business Messaging. Now, in Business Messaging, you'll see the WhatsApp. Now you can connect with your customers on a personal level. You can grow your business through this messaging app. So go ahead, click on Details. Here it'll give you a bunch of information as to why you should be using it and what it actually offers you. You're going to go up here on the top right, click on Integrate. Now, you need to make sure that you meet the following prep to successfully integrate your WhatsApp. Okay? You need a verified business account on Facebook. You need a WhatsApp business account and a registered phone number to associate with your WhatsApp business account. Once all of this has been met, you're going to go and say, I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and you're going to say enable. Now over here, it is going to want to make the connection or the integration. Okay, so as we mentioned previously, you need to have that Facebook business account. So here you can see, you can go ahead and click on continue. It'll ask you to sign in. It'll ask you perhaps for your login details. If you'd like to change the account, you can do so just up over here. If you would like to add in another account, you can go ahead and do that. Now, once you're done, you will be connected to WhatsApp through Zoho, and you'll see a little blip over here, and you'll be able to do everything through WhatsApp on your Zoho CRM account.